Hello students, welcome back to your YouTube channel Mathematics for Everyone. In this video, we shall take linear inequalities of class 11 maths. Let us take first question. Solve 5x minus 3 less than 3x plus 1 when first part x is a natural number, number 2 x is a whole number, number 3 x is an integer, number 4 x is a real number. Solution 5x minus 3 is less than 3x plus 1, which will give you 5x minus 3x is less than 1 plus 3, 2x is less than 4, x is less than 4 by 2, 2, x is less than 2. First part, when x is a natural number, then x less than 2 implies x is equal to 1, because there is only 1 which is a natural number less than 2. Second, when x is a whole number, therefore x less than 2 implies x is equal to 0, 1, because there are only 0 and 1 whole numbers which are less than 2. Number 3, when x is an integer, therefore x less than 2 implies x is equal to so on minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. All these are integers which are less than 2. Fourth, when x is a real number, then x less than 2 implies x belongs to minus infinity to 2. Second question, solve x over 2 less than 5x minus 2 over 3 minus 7x minus 3 over 5. Solution, we have x over 2 less than 5x minus 2 over 3 minus 7x minus 3 over 5, which implies x by 2 less than, we take LCM 15, we multiply this, it is 25x minus 10 minus 21x plus 9. So this will give you x by 2 less than 4x minus 1 over 15 cross multiply, 15x is less than 8x minus 2. So this will give you 15x minus 8x is less than minus 2, x, 7x is less than minus 2, x is less than minus 2 over 7. That means x belongs to minus infinity to minus 2 by 7. Third question, solve 5 minus 2x over 3 less than equal to x over 6 minus 5 and show the graph on a number line. Solution, we have 5 minus 2x over 3 less than equal to x over 6 minus 5, which will give you 5 minus 2x over 3 less than equal to take LCM x minus 30 over 6. Cross multiply 30 minus 12x is equal to 3x minus 90. Then minus 12x minus 3x is equal to minus 90 minus 30. This will give you minus 15x less than equal to minus 120, and 15x is greater than equal to 120, which will give you x greater than equal to 120 over 15. 8. That means x is greater than equal to 8. Now we express it on the number line. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, so on. Similarly, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, so on. It is greater than equal to 8. So this is equal to, because it's equal to, so you will dark it. And greater than, you will dark this portion. Fourth question, solve 3x minus 4 over 2 greater than equal to x plus 1 over 4 minus 1. Show the graph of solution on a number line. Solution, we have 3x minus 4 over 2 greater than equal to x plus 1 over 4 minus 1, which will give you 3x minus 4 over 2 greater than equal to take LCM x plus 1 minus 4 over 4. So this is 3x minus 4 over 2 greater than equal to x minus 3 over 4, cross multiply. It is 12x minus 16 greater than equal to 2x minus x. Then 12x minus 2x is greater than equal to minus 6 plus 16. So this is 10x greater than equal to 10 and x greater than equal to 10 over 10. Therefore x is greater than equal to 1. This means x belongs to 1 to infinity. Close interval 1 to infinity. Number line. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. -1, -2, -3, so on. Greater than equal to 1. Equal to 1 means you will dark this. Greater than you will dark on the right side. Yes, sir. So this is the graph of the solutions on the number line. So that's all. In the next video, we shall take more questions on the solutions of linear inequality. So please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Mathematics for Everyone. So thank you. See you in the next video.